The Pledge of Allegiance and its moral conditions. Peace be upon you all, and welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to reflect on a powerful hadith that outlines the moral foundation of Islam through a historic pledge. This hadith is narrated by Ubadah bin as-Samit, may Allah be pleased with him, a companion of the Prophet who participated in the Battle of Badr and was one of the leaders during the night of the Pledge of Al-Aqaba. The Messenger of Allah said to his companions, "Pledge allegiance to me on the following 6 conditions. 1. That you will not associate anything with Allah. 2. That you will not steal. 3. That you will not commit illegal sexual relations. 4. That you will not kill your children. 5. That you will not falsely accuse anyone. 6. And that you will not disobey me in doing good." The Prophet then added, "Whoever among you fulfills this pledge, his reward is with Allah. But whoever commits any of these sins and is punished in this world, that punishment will be an expiation for him. And whoever commits any of them, and Allah conceals his sin, it is up to Allah, he may forgive him, or he may punish him." Then Ubadah bin as-Samit R.A. said, "So we gave our pledge for these conditions to the Messenger of Allah." This hadith teaches us 6 core moral values. Faith in one God. Honesty and chastity. The sanctity of life. Speaking the truth and avoiding false accusations. And obeying good leadership and moral commands. In a world full of confusion and temptation, these 6 principles are timeless guidelines for every Muslim seeking a righteous life. May Allah help us live by these noble values, and accept our efforts. Ameen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more authentic Islamic content. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching.